Hello, we are back to open the rest of the box with of 1991 Brockum Rock Cards. It's been a few days. I should be at work, but I had a little problem with some kidney stones. Gonna have them taken out tomorrow. So I thought I'd finish opening the rest of the box. So the hologram most likely is still in the box, or there's a hologram still in the box. And let's see what we get. Okay, another Megadeth sticker. I'm going to try to fly through here as quickly as possible. So, Junkyard, Dave Mustaine, Exodus, Jeff LeBar, Tommy Aldridge, Dana Strum, Motley Crue, Dan Reed Network, Poison, Testament, Skid Row, and Warrior Soul. Right on cue, the cat just showed up. Hopefully he doesn't want to help out. Okay, still looking for Stevie Ray Vaughan rookie cards, Pusshead stickers, and Grateful Dead inserts, along with the rest of the set. And another Megadeth sticker. Man, there's a lot. Hanger 18. Alright. Dan Reed Network, Poison, Testament, Skid Row, Warrior Soul, Joey Allen, Slaughter card, Poison, Testament, Anthrax, Skid Row, Malcolm Young, and Anthrax again. Moving right along. So yeah, these kidney stones are something else, let me tell you. Boy, oh boy. Alright, we have a damaged Mickey Hart card. And another Megadeth sticker. Man, there's a lot. Birth of Vic. The quick glance. It looks okay, but definitely not a PSA 10 though. Yeah. Not really that good actually. Motley Crue. Nikki 6. So the base cards, probably most of them would grade high. Definitely the possibility of a lot of 10s. I'm not sure if the set was a little bit smaller. Maybe I would try to grade the whole set, but at 288 cards, that's really not a possibility. Mickey Hart again. It's better than the last one, but top right hand corner damage possibly. I don't know. I'll have to look at that later on. Another Pusshead sticker, which is great. It looks very good. I'll show it a little bit more. It could be good to go. It's got some stains on the back. I'll see if it can clean up. Otherwise, it looks, at a quick glance, it looks okay. Alright, Testament, Winger, Cinderella, Junkyard, Bon Jovi, Skid Row, Anthrax, Justin Hayward, David Lee Roth, Vince Neil, Winger, Cooper, the Coop, and Testament. Alright. I believe there's a ball and chain puss head sticker too. We haven't hit one yet, and honestly, I have never seen one. We have another Grateful Dead insert. I don't think it's PSA 10. Bertha Vic, very common. Or no, my apologies. Rest in peace. Alright, Molly Crew, Winger, Testament. I'm gonna fly through these. They're all the same. If anything stands out, we'll make a point of showing. Oh, it's not a Megadeth sticker. Up the Irons. Iron Maiden, first 10 years. Right behind that, Tony Iommi. Very cool card. Alright. Tony Iommi, Junkyard. Eric Turner. Pink Floyd. I'm putting the Pink Floyds off to the side. If they're worthwhile sending in, I will. It'd be pretty cool to have some PSA 10 Pink Floyds. Alright, next pack. Very nice. Nice puss head card. Well, that has me wondering. It's 2 in a row. The PSA 10, as it should, has a clean back. No stains on the back. Those two have stains. So, not really worthwhile. Sending in Pink Floyd again. Like, with the condition of the rest of the cards, it's kind of hard not to get a PS10 eventually. Really, quality control, it was good. Still looking for that hologram. Eddie and the Kid. Now we're in the Iron Maiden. And no stains on those two. Why the puss heads? Yeah, both. Alright. AC/DC, Bon Jovi, Exodus, Anthrax, Testament, Anthrax, Tanger 18, Exodus, AC/DC, and Cinderella. I don't know if I'm feeling up to this or not, man. Sitting at the hospital most of the day, haven't ate. Don't know what I'm going to eat. Got a bit of a migraine headache. It's a very, very interesting day. Alright, so we have the sticker. Hopefully you've seen it. And just base cards. Nothing stands out in that pack. Oxidation of the Nations. That's pretty cool. Alright, the same base cards that we're familiar with. You can see my Bret Hart Topps rookie card. I wish it was O-Pee-Chee, but I think it might have a chance out of 10. It's pretty clean. Front, back, corners, surface, the whole shebang. We got high hopes. A 9 would be, for what I paid for, I ended up a few years back at the Toronto show, I bought a few packs for a really good price. So, there's a little bit of leeway to send it into PSA. I've been wondering if any of these cards would come back a 10 from Beckett. Get a nice black label. I'm sure there would be, but picking out the right one isn't always the easiest. Iron Maiden card in the back. We have the Winger sticker. There we go. And then, I'm sure from here on out, just the good old base cards. Tommy Lee. I think that's the first time we've seen him. I do not recall opening a pack with a Tommy Lee in it. So, getting one step closer to completing the set. I might open a box of ice hockey after this. I've been looking at it, thinking about it. Who knows? Bertha Vic. If it doesn't have a stain on the back. Nope. Bottom. It doesn't have a stain. I want to make sure of that one. Here we go. Tommy Lee. All or nothing. Olsen looks like Newstead there, but all right, we have 3, 5, 7, 9 packs left. Maybe 10. I'm not sure how I missed a pack in the box. And still haven't seen the Ball and Chain Puss Head card. Iron Maiden, Eddie and the Kid. Eric Wright. Take a look at that later on. The photography, especially for the band cards, is pretty good. It's a good set to have. I'm not sure how much a set is valued at, but it's a good set. We might have a printing spot. And the Mickey Hart, yeah. Right down there. Not PSA 10 worthy. Berlin Wall. Megadeth. Okay, what's going to be the next sticker? Megadeth, Maiden, or Pusshead? I'm going to say, let's take a guess with, we got to go with the Pusshead. I'm going to pack pick. Dug a little bit deeper than the top one. On Pusshead. It's an Iron Maiden. Up the irons, 10 years. A box of these opening is, seems a little time consuming. You know, there's 1991, not a lot of inserts, not a lot really going on. All right, we have the Wave. No printing flaws on the back. This card looks really good. With my eye, I don't see anything wrong with it. That has a very good chance out of 10. And that would make my day. Alright. Slaughter, AC/DC, Junkyard, Pink Floyd. Put that one off to the side. Mick Mars. Alright, we're still looking for that ball and chain puss head. And we have a puss head, but it's not ball and chain. Not a PSA 10. Okay, good old CC up top. That was a pretty well-used shot back in the day. The Iron Maiden shot there. It worked. Another winger card. Oh man, between the migraine, just not feeling great. The usual suspects in the base. 3 packs left. Excuse me. Freaks from the Fink Dimension. Kind of how I'm feeling right now. A freak from the Fink Dimension. Alright, Nikki, cool shot. Deep Purple, John Anderson, Ace Meister, Cliff Williams, very good. 2 packs left. Haven't had a Stevie Ray Vaughan this box. Second time seeing this half box. I like it. Tim Kelly. CC again. All right. Very last pack. And then I think I'm going to take something for my headache. Get something to eat. Think about opening this Upper Deck Ice. Bertha Vick. Like, one of those definitely has to be a 10. I'm not sure how many I have. There's 8 boxes left in the case. I'm gonna keep 2 sealed. So still have 6 to open. All right, my friends. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. I must apologize. I'm just not into this right now. But, however, hopefully hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.